Have you been looking for a couple's motorhome that could also be for the kids, but be under 25 feet? Oh, it's a thing. It's a pretty sweet thing, and I'm going to show it to you. What's up? It's Chris Young. Welcome to the Winnebago Spirit 22M. Now, this up to 5 sleeping coach is 24 feet 5 inches long, seated on the Ford E450 chassis with a 7.3 liter V8 engine that's got 350 horses and the premium torque shift upgrade. This coach to me is a split of both worlds. Maybe not the best, but a split of both worlds. It's a couple's RV, although you can sleep 4, 5, maybe even 6 inside this coach. We'll get to that here in a minute. If you're interested in anything like this, please leave me a comment down below, interested, or leave me some comments on can we fit 5 people in here. I'm going to start right up front in the cab/bunk area of this beautiful 22M. Now, what I like about the cab of this, you got the upgraded leather seats for the captain and the co-captain. You'll also see your dash is molded. You got the cup holders. You got the touch screen that has the Android Auto as well as the Apple CarPlay and your backup camera, plus battery boost. Everything you need for visibility to enjoy driving down the road in a Class C. And if you've never driven a Class C, but you're interested in it, I highly advise going to your local Camping World and test driving one. See what you think. They're not as bad as you think. And with this one having an exterior height of 11 feet, that's also pretty good because most of them will tip, 13 feet or more. So less than 25 feet, less than 12 feet high. So that's pretty nice. Now for your bunk up here, you do have a queen size bed in the back, which is 60 by 74, but this is 57 by 95. So it's much longer. This would obviously be a great spot for the kids. You got the TV on the swivel. You got the window with the shade, the little vent right here. So if you need some air, you can. And of course the ladder to help you get up and down, but it also doubles as storage. Makes a great storage area for anything you need to travel with you on the road. Plus, also like how their front caps are a little bit higher, further forward, so you have a little bit more space up here. Big fan of how Winnebago does their stuff. Now let's take a look at this living area and talk a little bit about the kitchen as well. Now, as far as the midship of your Winnebago Spirit 22M, you're going to find some really good storage options. Love the glazing that they have on their hardwood cabinetry that's beveled with the upgraded silver pulls and, of course, strut supporting. This is the off-camp side right above my U-shaped dinette. Now, with this, yes, you do have storage underneath. You got the pleatherette cushions. This can reduce down, and the table also can turn if you need it to. But this will sleep maybe 2 people. But as far as seating, it's tough to get 4 people seated in a U-dinette, which is why I think this is more angled towards a couples coach, because this would be great. You can sit side by side, play the card games, play the board games, or sit across from each other. And then when you want to snuggle and snack and watch TV, you can sit side by side in the rear. It's just cute. Across from that is going to be your kitchen with Corian solid surface countertop, undermounted stainless steel sink with a high-rise faucet. I love these upgraded fixtures too. Oversized window, more glazed cabinetry here, and of course, a little suspension net and my DVD player for whatever you want to put up there. Great grab-and-go spot, actually, for your water bag, your backpack, the Kavu's. If you like to hike, that's going to be a good spot. Over here is going to be your recessed 3-burner cooktop with the tempered glass cover, giving you more prep space as well as a nice backsplash. And you got your little oven and even a little pot and pan drawer. Got me some space for a trash can under my sink. I even like the beveling that they have in the drawers here. Solid wood on full extension drawer guides. Just roomy feel. And for a galley-style kitchen, this is actually pretty spacious because even if I'm prepping or cleaning, somebody still has room to get by me and grab something out of the Norcold 10.7 cubic foot fridge freezer combo. This is gas electric. Got my 20K furnace right there. My 15K BTU AC right there. High point microwave right here. And yes, you do have heated tank pads, an inverter, because this one does come with solar, and a generator on this bad boy too. You got a 4,000 watt Jenny on this bad boy. And as far as your tanks, which you can check right here with your command panel, and your batteries, you got a 40-gallon fresh, 45-gallon gray, 40-gallon black. That, to me, leads me to think, okay, that's pretty good spaces for a family, because 45 gray and 40-gallon black, that's technically 85 gallons of wastewater. That's a lot. For a couple, that's an extended vacation. For a family, that's a nice long weekend. Just my thoughts. You tell me though, family or couples. All right, let's check out the storage that we have for our pantry, as well as access to the water pump, before we check out our bedroom and bathroom. Now on the campsite is going to be my rear corner bath, solid door separating this area from the rest of the coach. I like how my linen storage versus my vanity is corner mounted. It's tall, it gives me some good space. High-rise bowl with the foot flush. I got more press surface countertop here that's glazed, has a little coating on it, a little Winnebago. I like this. They use their logo as a towel holder. That's pretty nice. No traditional medicine cabinet, but you do have linen storage as well as storage under the sink. I got my power outlet right there, my sink, more hooks, and of course my 30 by 32 shower, I believe. Yeah, looks about right. Skylight, which does give me the additional headroom that I need, even though you have 84 inches of clearance inside of most motorhomes. Sometimes in the rear it's raised up because of storage or whatnot. So having this really comes in handy. Having the shower curtain, a retractable door, versus a curtain is actually very nice. And I got my little shower controls right there. So gotta tell you, pretty good space. Plus, I'm not cramped when I'm on the toilet. Come into the bedroom, and this I thought was pretty cool. I already got my TV. I got storage right here. I like that because that's my ward. Plus, I got a chest of drawers. I got USB charging, as well as 12 volts. I have a CPAP machine. I got a little cubby and nightstand space. Padded headboard. My bed is in a slide. Large window. But check this out. I'm going to move this out the way. Talk about a nice little feature. So great for the couples, but for the family, also too, if you had like stuff you needed to get to in the storage compartment but didn't want to go outside because it was raining, that's a pretty nice little feature. Sure, your bed's split in half, but I gotta tell you, man, that's pretty nice. So nice little added feature here in the Winnebago Spirit 22M. And with that said, speaking of outside, let's go check out the outside while I fix the bed. Now on the outside of your Winnebago Spirit 22M, you're going to find a 14-foot awning, tons of storage, and some very nice little features, including oversized mirrors with side vision. They're also heated, but this beauty is seated on the Ford E450 chassis with the premium 7.3-liter V8 engine. So you got 350 horses on this, plus it has that torque shift transmission on it. Big fan of that. And the fact that they put this on the 450 versus the 350 and it's not even 25 feet long, very nice touch for getting that passing speed and towing if you need it, because you do have a 7,500-pound towing hitch on this beauty as well. So come over to the campsite, you'll see that fiberglass exterior, the 14-foot awning, my scare light. You also have lockable storage right here, which is locked, unfortunately. It's a cable connection and power outlet. Back of the fridge right there. 4x4 sewer hose storage on the rear. Your 7,500-pound hitch. But one of the things I wanted you to see, Dan, take a look at what we have there. This coach has an option of having an actual leveling system on it. That, my friends, on a coach that's not even 25 foot long is very nice. Solid ladder mounted on the rear so I can get up top, check my seals, check the roof if I need to. And I love how they do these extra wide seals on the Winnebago too. That's nice for water permeation, won't happen as much. But your slide even has a topper on it. Very nice feature that you usually see on motorhomes that are much more expensive. Now, you remember that storage that we saw from under the bed? This is it right here. It's also rotocast, great spot for the chairs, the tables if you need to slide them in. Got some finished off storage there, but you also have your stabilizer controls right here as well. So if yours has the stab jacks versus the automatic leveling, bam, your controls are right there. Now, let me get out from under the slide so you can see your terminations as well. And right there is your power cord behind the door. So remember, you got 40, 45, and 40 on your tanks. City fill, black tank flush, cable connection, fuel connection. Right there's my awesome wheels. And as you can see, you got your LP access right there underneath the back of your hot water heater and your Onan 4,000 watt generator. Got to tell you, man, having that, being able to go off the grid and have power, very nice addition. But for that family's first motorhome, 24 feet 5 inches, or the couple's first motorhome, You tell me, who's it better suited for? And yes, I'm talking to you, not the general populace. I'm looking at you. What's right for you? If you're interested in this, leave me a comment down below that just says interested. We'll have somebody reach out and find the RV that's perfect for you, whether it's this one or another one. But couples or families, leave me a comment and let me know what you think. This is the Winnebago Spirit 22M. 24 feet, 5 inches, can sleep 5+. And I got to tell you, if you've been looking for that first motorhome, I would put this one at the top of your list because it's a great breaker of the barrier of entry for you when it comes to RVing. I'm Chris Young for Camping World. Hope you enjoyed the Winnebago Spirit 22M. I'll see you soon.